Now we're back to learning Affinity in the year day 71. Let us go to the final tool in this toolbox. It's the cat tool, very simple tool. You can also right click on it, find it at the bottom of the list. Just left click drag and you can transform it again, so not like the QR code. But usually you want to have width and height having the same value. There's nothing to adjust here except for the fill color and maybe the stroke if you want to give it to this cat design. So when you activate it, there's nothing in the top menu to adjust further. As I've said, that's the last tool in our toolbox. So we went over all of them in our Affinity playlist. And in the next video, we're going to move on from these basic tools. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.